The LogoPress Slug Retention Groove function is used to quickly add grooves to a die opening to prevent slugs from pulling out. First, I will select a parameter preset from this list. Additional presets can be created or deleted in the Data tab. Next, I will select the edge of the opening. I can select near the midpoint or towards one end of the edge. I can enter a distance value from the end. I can also flip the angle direction. I'll click OK, and the retention groove is created. I can select the edge to create additional grooves. I can also select the edge of a cylindrical opening, and you can see it patterns the grooves. In this particular preset, it is set to 3 grooves for that opening. And that's how easily the slug retention grooves can be added to die openings.